shoot near to far, right? So here, here. Pick a side, doesn't matter. Here, here. Outside to in with 2 targets. Run here. Outside to in.
$19.22.
Yeah, the procedural.
Breaks the perf, just down 1.
No, yeah, the procedural.
1922.
What?
You stepped out
Oh, I
from
know,
behind
I
the
know,
cover.
I know, I know. I think I'm okay because if I'm like
No, no,
in
no.
the same spot,
That wasn't.
you could say yeah, procedural, right?
Yes, you had a
All right,
procedural.
because I did fuck that up. So, all right. Here.
That's where you need to focus.
I know.
So I'm keeping you in check.
I get it. Yeah, you're right.
I get the ADD brain.
You got that. He said I was right. I don't get that often.
Good hits. Good hits. Ooh, I saw one.
1682.
1682. -1. That's it, -1. It's a good time. Good deal. We still did beat me, though I had a malfunction, technically, you know.
Do what?
I had a malfunction, you know. My bad ammo. I've got a bad ammo handicap. I should gain automatically
No,
2
you got a
seconds.
mental handicap.
Yeah, that's 2. So +4 at -4 seconds. So for me, I get the handicap. The mental handicap
You're wrong.
and the ammo handicap. All right, you ready?
Stand by.
Oh, -2. Oh, your second shot on both these targets. Slow it down a little bit. You're good with that double here. Your double here, your grip isn't maintaining, so you're getting 2 down ones. So what's total time?
20 flat.
20 flat, 22 flat.
All right. So that was this one, this one?
Yeah, your second shot from each cover spot. Your second shot.
Oh, okay. So this
So you're
was
like
the
boom, boom. Like you're like boom, boom.
Yeah.
So it's like 1 in, 1 out.
Slow down a little bit.
Fix your grip.
Or just grip it.
Yeah. Fix your grip.
I felt it breaking on the second.
Right. That's exactly what happened.
Baby. $18.73. That one was me.
Okay, got it.
Total time?
Total times 1873, 1973, 2073.
Got it. Yeah, I don't know why I had that like gap, bro. Otherwise, I got one and I won't be able to use it as a target. What am I doing here, bro?
Scoop that draw.
Riding it. Riding it. Total time 23:10 with the reload. Oh, yeah, I did have a reload on mine. 24, 25. 3 string is good. 26:10 so far. 26:10. Total time. Yeah.
Not bad one. Ready? Stand by.
Shoot. Make sure your grip is tight. Get the dot. Get the dot. All right. So
27.
So things I see is you're lingering a lot.
Yeah, I lost the dot.
Yeah. So
0.
down 2. Total time.
23, 27, 24, 25, 27,
Good here.
25, 27.
No, let's stop. Let's stop.
18, 6, 1.
Down 1.
19, 6, 1. Down 1.
That's good. Down 1.
Down 1. 19, 6, 1.
Grab. Tap. Ball again. I think you're loading. Start again. Start again. Start again. Start again. Start again. All right, so crack claw. What I mean is this. Crack claw is this. All right. Let's say I get a click. All right. That's nice. Trigger. Click. Okay. So what I do, tap. Roll around the front in front of the ejection port, pinch it, push it, lock it back. I see that it's empty. I'm dropping it. Mag goes in. Boom. Goes out. So this is your thing that you want to do. Got it. Here. Gun comes this way, rolls over this way. This way, goes right back there.
I didn't know you went and got a Timmy. I hear you. That's what I run.
Oh, you see. See.
That's the same thing I
you
run.
Yeah. Back.
These
That-
mags.
What is it? All right. Take a break. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is part 2 of our IDPA prep. If you want to watch part 1, you'll see the thumbnail you can click on. The next video, we're doing a little bit of hasty zeroing, but that's it for our November range day. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.